Marble Polishing Wimbledon by Fabritech Tilecare. Are your marble surfaces in desperate need of some TLC? Look no further. Welcome to Fabritech Tilecare, the leading marble polishing service in Wimbledon. Marble surfaces exude elegance and sophistication, but over time, they can lose their luster and become worn out. That's where our team of experts steps in. With years of experience, we know exactly how to restore your marble surfaces to their original beauty. Using the most advanced techniques and cutting-edge equipment, our marble polishing services in Wimbledon will bring back the shine and glamour to your marble. Our skilled technicians follow a meticulous process of cleaning, honing, polishing, and sealing to ensure a perfect finish. We take immense pride in delivering exceptional results and treating your marble surfaces with the utmost care. Whether it's a small residential project or a large-scale commercial restoration, we offer affordable prices without compromising on quality. Don't wait any longer. Trust Fabritech Tilecare with all your marble polishing needs in Wimbledon. Let us bring back the beauty and elegance to your space. Contact us today for a free consultation and let our team work their magic on your marble surfaces. Remember, when it comes to marble polishing services in Wimbledon, Fabritech Tilecare is the name you can trust. Transform your space and restore the pride in your marble surfaces. Call us on 01784 775813 or visit our website to book your appointment. Fabritech Tilecare, where marble rejuvenation meets excellence.